afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Everybody hear me? I hope you can. Welcome to the live trading room. This is TD Markets, everybody. Ashley Reeve here. It's good to be with you. My word, it's so good to be alive, everybody. Can everybody hear me? 1, 2, 1, 2. Everybody good? We're just about to get started. We're going to give it another minute or so. Another 1 to 5 minutes. Let's just give it a bit of time, guys. We're waiting for all the slow pokes to come online. We have some news at 2:30. We're just going to wait just a few more minutes for the rest of the guys to get online. Everybody, before we get started, remember guys, the information we do discuss in this video is opinion and should not be construed as advice in any way, yeah? We're almost ready to get going, ladies and gentlemen, just another minute or two. Checking that everything is good. Yeah, I see Jury, Jules, Tato, Angelique. More money, I see your comment there. Big apologies, man. That doesn't sound right, but we can get right into it. All right, please, if you don't mind, perhaps that same email that you had sent, get that, forward it to care@tdmarkets.com. That's care@tdmarkets.com. I'll reach out to the support team there. Big apologies there, all right? That's for more money there. That's for more money. I see your comment and it is noted for sure. Don't worry, it's noted, all right? So just that same email or that same connection that you made, just get to care@tdmarkets.com. Just forward it right there. I will reach out to the support team and we'll see. It doesn't sound right. We're very much on top of things. So we're going to see what happened during that communication, all right? I see SMJ is in the building as well. Van der Bijl Park in the house. Mel, I see you. Yeah. Guys, if you'd like to sign up, you can register. The links are provided in the chat facility. We are about to start. You can also, make sure that you get in touch with the account manager if you are already a client, if you're already a TD Markets member. If you'd like to get into our education, that's Mondays to Fridays. In the morning, we have our 10 a.m. session. We have our 3:30, that's 15:30 p.m. Session. And then we have the evening session as well at, 6 o'clock, it's 1800 hours. So, if you'd like to get in there, all right? All right, let's get going, guys. Good afternoon, 14:06. This is the live trading room, everybody. Ashley Reeve here, guys. What a pleasure. It's good to be with you as always. We want to see what's happening in the markets here today. We do have some, CAD CPI coming out, and we want to try and see if there's anything there for us. I got a bunch of instruments and assets to look at. And just so you guys know, the way we're going to be doing it is that there will obviously be 1, 2, or maybe 3 areas that many traders will get in. I will obviously identify where those zones are. But you still got to pull the trigger, guys. We do not tell our clients, how to trade or where to get in at all. We don't do any advice. We obviously train and we educate our guys, obviously, so that you can make a more informed decision and so forth. But I will just show you exactly where some of the guys would get in from a more risky perspective. And then obviously there's guys that want to be a bit more conservative, so they're looking for a different type of zone. So I'll point those out by using the batch numbers as 1 and 2, or maybe even 3 if there is, which is the normal protocol that we do follow. You still got to pull the trigger. All right, you still got to pull the trigger. I will be using intraday structure. I will be using candles from the M12 and the M5, and I'll be watching a lot of the movement on the hourly frame. So we're not going to be looking at the weekly, at the daily frame to get a follow through. We'll be looking at the shorter time frames to do that. All right, but we are obviously on track, and we just want to make sure that everybody is okay. If you can hear me, just give me a yes. Mel, I think I'm clear. Maybe let me know there in the chat facility if all is good there. Can you hear me? Is the music good? Are we ready to go? Are you ready to fire off? Let me know, yeah? All right, that's fantastic. Good to know. Good to know. There we go. All right, everybody's good. There we go. There we go. All right, let's push forward, guys. Now, we have a very, very interesting week, obviously, guys. We have seen quite a bit come out from the US. We saw Russia. We're seeing some movement, China. We're seeing New Zealand. We're seeing stocks. We're seeing quite a bit. But just to give you some more filtered information regarding, some of the precious metals that we do obviously offer at TD. We got the silver, we got the gold. I'm going to go into the gold right now, give you some fundamentals. And then obviously from a fundamental standpoint, we'll dive into the technical aspect. But remember, guys, we are not only trading technical charts, guys. All right. We look at what is happening around the technicality of the chart. So that's the fundamentals. And we have to make sure that we get our guys to understand that. All right. It's really to a buy or sell. It's understanding the context of the buy or the sell. All right. And you got to look at your politics, your economics, your social factors, so that you can make a more informed decision about why you are buying or selling, where you buy and sell in terms of the approach you take short term with the minute frames. That has to do with risk management. All right. So if you're going to be trading on a 1 minute frame, 2, 3, or 5 minute frame, your risk will be higher than the guy that is trading on the hour, the 4, or your risk will be higher. Please understand that. So there is a risk to it. Like there's a risk to anything else in life. When you stepped out of your home this morning, you took a risk. When you got in your car to drive all the way to where you work, it is a risk. All right. Sending your child to school is a risk. I've got 3 of them. All right. So trust me when I say everything has a risk to it, irrespective of the degree, whether it's large or it's small, there is a risk in it. All right. That's just the world that we actually live in. And so let's then get started with the gold price first. All right. We're going to get started with that. Some fundamentals on it. We did see gold rise a little bit today. This is the hourly frame. Look at this. So we did see gold rise a little bit. You'll see I have quite a few levels here. I've got a minute level. I've got an hourly level. And then I also have a daily level. Now, I'm not looking at the daily levels. I'm looking at the minute and the hourly levels. It's currently stuck in the minute frames here. And there are some guys that would want to get into the gold price at this point in time. There is obviously, from a technical standpoint, guys, we saw gold come up today. There is a structure that could be broken at this point in time. There's nothing coming out for the US today or right now at 1430. There is information coming out for the CAD. So there might be correlation with the USD CAD, but from what we can see, the gold price did push higher today. It seems like all the gains that was found, or at least that was led today, is being reversed right now. Now, the reason why for this or for that rise is because of the peace talks. There was a lot of optimism, a lot of positivity, but it was mixed with uncertainty, all right, about the Fed's next decision on the interest rates. There's an 84% chance of that interest rate cut. They're looking at 0.25%. attempt. That's 0.25 or 25 basis points that they're looking to cut in that rate. Trump wants it cut. The federal Jerome Powell, the Fed chair, is obviously looking at the data. He'll be on this Thursday and Friday at the Jackson Hole Symposium, where there'll be some more alluding factors to what the cut will look like. All right. At this point in time, we are not trading any fundamentals at this point, right now, at this second, this minute. There is a technical setup that has just formed here on the gold price. Now, many guys are looking at it and they say, okay, Ash, you know what? I want to get in because that trend line has been broken. Now, that's the batches that I was referring to. This, if you are interested in gold, many guys are going to get in here right now because of that break-in structure right there. All right. But then there's another trader that says, Ash, you know what? I'm not interested to trade that. I'm going for batch number 2. It will be if we get a close beneath the 333.6.03. That will be batch number 2 to possibly take the gold price for a correction down towards a hourly support at around 333.0. All right, 333.0. That is what we're looking at right now. Obviously, it will be the total opposite if we see price pushing to the upside. We would need price to push above that area if we're looking to extend it further up to the 3357. All right, so obviously at this point in time, batch 1 and batch 2 is what the guys are looking at. I'm looking at a 12-minute frame. It has broken through now. If 1 is good for you, if it's good enough for you, if you're trading the gold price to the downside, please also correlate the dollar index. All right, everybody, I'm checking that simultaneously. At this point in time, the dollar on the hourly frame is bullish. So that is giving us a positive movement here towards the downside. I'm going to say that again, a positive movement towards the downside. All right. If that is for you and you feel that this is a good place to get in, that would be at 1. So if you're in there, just type 1 so I can see what the guys are actually engaging in. All right. So if you're in 1, just type 1. If you're going for 2, let me know about 2. I'm going to get on that silver chart as well now whilst we are busy with the gold price right there. Let me just get the silver price. Give me a second. All right. I'm seeing Angelique, you're already in there, Tabatso, you on 2. I see Angelique is on 1. Now the silver price, guys, very, very important here. All right, we're seeing it's also at a support, and I'll be drawing that trend line because this one looks a little bit different. All right, the guys will engage as follows. The guys will be looking at 1, which is just before the trend line. All right, this means that guys will be engaging this one after it breaks beneath. Look at this, 38. So that 12-minute support structure is what they're going to be looking at. The rest of the guys, it's a little bit more conservative, will obviously do, number 2 right there. It's right here, number 2. And that will be below that area, which is about 38.025. Guys, I'm telling you, different strokes for different folks. When I say that, different entry points for different people. No trader is going to enter at the same place. Anyway, the bid and ask does not allow that unless you're doing a buy limit order, a sell limit order, a buy stop or a sell stop. Yes, then there is a specific price that you get into. But in this specific case, there is no specific area. It's just the 1 and the 2. I'm not doing 3s here, guys, because 3s will be below. It will obviously be after it goes below number 2. All right. So at this point, you can see it is rejecting there. The gold price at this point in time is still where it is. There's a bit of a rejection. So that is 1 and 2 for the gold and the silver price. Maybe just some fundamentals on the silver price, guys. It did drop. You can see below that the $38 per ounce. It's lost its earlier gains it has made. If I go to the 1 hour frame, you can see that there has been gains on silver, which was this zone right there. We can see the reversal. This is a lower high, so we might just push down to this area over here. And the reason for that is investors became more hopeful about those peace talks. All right. right, guys, between Russia and Ukraine. So they pulled money out of the safe haven assets like silver, and that's why you saw this drop. But obviously, guys, you know, that is an ongoing thing that is happening with Putin and Zelensky, all right? And Trump is obviously trying to interfere there. When I say interfere, I don't mean it in a negative sense, but he's trying to get in to try and stop what is currently happening. I mean it in the nicest sense, all right? So that's gold and silver at this point in time. That's where we're at with it, all right? Let's push forward now, guys, to the AUD Swiss franc, all right? I'm looking at this one as well. Very interesting here. We're seeing a technical move on the medium to the long-term setup, all right? You can see that blue mark, or at least the blue block, that is the minute frames that I am looking at, guys, all right? That's the minute frames. Now, we've not broken out of that area yet. So if you're going to go for a short over here, remember, you are buying or you are selling, whichever way you're going to go, into a consolidated zone. Price is not broken out at this particular time, all right? So on the hourly frame, there is a downward structure that has formed. I'm actually going to show it to you right here. Give me a second. There is a downward structure that is formed. We're currently consolidating like we've done before over this zone and that zone as well. We could get a push to the upside first and then come down, or we just come down. But this is a side for me that is a bit concerning. There's a lot of volatility that has happened here, a lot of fluctuation. So this is a little bit unclear at this point in time, guys. That's the AUD Swiss franc. But what we can see, obviously, from a gold perspective, the Aussie dollar and the gold, they actually correlate positively. So if the gold price comes down, remember, guys, that 1 and 2, the 1 is very, very risky. All right, the 2 is a better movement in terms of the risk factor there. Now, if the gold price comes down, we expect the AUD to drop as well. They correlate positively. So if the gold price comes down, we expect the Aussie dollar to drop as well. So we're going to have to wait and see on that one. We're not 100% sure yet, all right? It's now 14.19. I want to see it 14.30. When that CAD news comes out, that CPI for the CAD, that's the year-on-year and the month-on-month. If it comes out, all right, guys, what's going to be very, very important, that will create some volatility in the market, and we're going to see if it affects anything else, all right? AUD Swiss franc, yeah? All right, let's get in with the next one. I got the S&P 500, the S&P 500, guys. We're looking at the hourly frame on the S&P 500 here. Now, what's very important about this one is when you go to the higher frames like the daily and you zoom out, you see that the S&P 500 is extremely bullish. All right, that is the S&P 500. Now, what's important about this one, guys, from the futures perspective, is that they are a little bit unchanged today after a choppy Monday, which was yesterday. The Dow slipped slightly, the Nasdaq was flat, and the S&P was almost unchanged. So if you look at that from an unchanged perspective, this was the range of the S&P 500 yesterday. Look at that. And we back in that range. So that's why I say it's a little bit unchanged. All right. So what we need to do is we need to wait for price to break out of this area over here. All right. We're focusing on a short to a medium term trade here, guys. It's either we are pushing up or we're going to do a deeper correction, but we got to wait. It's currently in a consolidated zone. Now, The great thing about this is obviously, guys, as I've highlighted, you can trade it to the upside here. It's just not giving us the signal at this point in time. It's at the support. It's given us a high. It's given us a higher low. It's still unchanged, all right? And so we need to wait, all right? If we do get a break and a close above here on a hourly frame, that will be a stronger follow through for us to push through because it is rejecting on the minutes, all right? Look at that. So we only have the 15-minute that has closed above but has come right back down again. Look at the 20-minute rejection. Look at the 30-minute up but came right back down again. So we're waiting for the hourly to give us the shift. Look at that rejection on the hourly. So if we can get another push to the upside and we get a close there, that's going to be brilliant. All right, it's going to be brilliant. For now, let's pause it, let's see what's happening, and we will check back and loop back with the S&P 500. I got that USD CAD as well. All right, and we're waiting for the CPI news that's coming out in 8 minutes time. All right, 8 minutes time. We are looking at price to go either way at this point in time. If the CAD weakens, then obviously we push to the upside, which seems to be where it's going. All right, we're seeing a price coming up high, then it starts actually consolidating, creating a resistance. Now what that CPI can do is it can actually weaken, meaning less spending happening in the Canadian economy, which means the dollar strengthens here temporarily. We push up, creating a new high to go back towards the zone here, which is actually a daily resistance. It's a daily resistance. So we're looking to get that specific movement to the upside if it goes the way we've just mentioned, all right? The only concern with this is a sideways movement at this point in time. Price is going up, but then it comes back down and goes back into consolidation. So if price breaks below here, let's say we get a stronger CAD, I will give you an update on this one. We're not doing anything here yet. Nothing here yet. All right. We also got the NZD CAD that's looking similar, guys. You can see it's also in a consolidated zone. So the Canadian dollar versus the other currencies right now is really just consolidating at this point in time. We need to wait for a proper breakout in this specific case. Yeah, that's the NZD CAD. I'm going to switch to the CAD CHF now. All right, here we go. This is the CAD CHF looking a little bit better than the rest. We have, a bit of a movement to the downside here. Look at that. So there is a lower high. We can expect some downside here. If the Canadian dollar does weaken, we have a beautiful short to the downside here. But remember, guys, when you're trading a commodity-driven currency, you're going to find there's a lot of choppiness. Look at this, a lot of choppiness. And you tend to see the trend only reveal itself later on. All right, look at this, very choppy. Very choppy. So if you're going to be trading this, you're going to be taking a risk here. It's not like the major pairs where you see the trend, you see the liquidity or the liquid move, the nice smoother movement there with the trend. It's going to be choppy. It's going to be riskier. There's lots of spikes, lots of rejection areas or rejected zones. So you know that you're in for a real, tough ride there. Something like the Anaconda, at Gold Reef City. I don't know if they still have it there, but you're definitely going to get that kind of ride when you're trading all these minor pairs. Not that you can't make cash from it, you absolutely can. But at this point in time, it is choppy, waiting for a push to the downside. Yeah. Jules, I'm seeing your question there. Let's see. Is there anyone else experiencing anything? Quickly, let me know there, guys. Real quickly. Is it just Jules, Mel? Everything all right there, guys? There was some connectivity issues in the area, but we managed to stabilize. Just want to make sure that everything is still all right. Quickly let me know there, eh? All right, I see that, Jules. You lost me for a second. I should be back. Maybe the rest of the guys can also just jump in real quickly. Let me know if everything is okay. Just check your connection there, all right, Jules? Guys, the gold price, if there's anyone that is in that took number one over there, you can see that there is uncertainty right now. Look at this specific candle here, guys. We're going to have to wait and see. The silver price, there seems to be a bit of push to the upside here, guys. So please make sure you understand we are really looking like there is a rough ride here. here, yeah? That's why I mentioned 1 and 2, all right? 1 and 2, be very careful. 2 seems like we're not going to play out here, guys, all right? It looks like we're not going to play out there for now. We got 4 minutes left. We got 4 minutes left, guys. And I'm going to move to the other side now. I'm going to move to the other side. So this right here will be 1. Above there will be 1. This will be 1 here. But I'm going to wait for the break. I'm going to wait for the break. I'll wait for the break right there. There's really a lot of volatility right now, guys. We got 3 minutes left. Look at this. That break just happened. I'm not happy with it. I want to see it break again. I'm really not happy with that. 38.120. This is a very dangerous trade right now, guys. Very, very dangerous trade right now. That is the silver. All right. Same, not certain if it's... All right. Mal's hearing it. All right, Chubbs is all right. It's probably just a little bit of a glitch, guys. We had something in the entire area here, all right? All right, 3 minutes left, guys. We're watching that USD CAD right here. We're watching it. That's the USD CAD. Look at that drop already. We're waiting to see. Is everybody all right? Quickly, guys. Let me know there. Let me know. All right, NZD CAD, nothing here at the moment. CAD CHF, nothing yet. The USD CAD has a bit of reaction. We got 2 minutes left, all right? We're good. Thank you very much. We're good. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. All right, let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait and see, yeah? Look at the S&P now. There's definitely a lot of movement right now, guys. We're waiting. We got a couple of minutes left. All right, let's see, guys. 14.29 USD CAD. Look at that. We got 17 minutes left, 17 seconds. 12, 11. Let's see, guys. All right, pending. We're seeing some reaction here now. Look at this, guys. We're seeing some reaction here right there. Look at that. That is the CAD. That's the CAD. Let's see. Stayed the same, 3.1%. 3.1% stayed the same. All right, the gold price, we're pushing down here, guys. Silver looks like we're also pushing down here, guys. Let's zoom in. Let's see, 1 and 2. The gold price, we're pushing down. We're pushing down, and the gold price looks like it. Let's look at the USD CAD now. All right, stayed the same, guys. Stayed the same. So there's nothing that has changed. Nothing has changed on the CPI. Dollar looks to be strengthening right now, guys. All right, dollar seems to be strengthening right now. Yeah, let's go. I'm waiting for 1.38228 to be broken right there. If I can get a break above there, I'm going in. So the 1.38228, that's where I'm looking to get in, all right? I just wanted to break that area over there. I'm not seeing it there yet. NZD CAD, nothing happening there. CAD CHF, There's nothing happening at this moment in time, yeah? S&P 500 just tested it, guys. Nothing happened there. So the gold price seems to be doing well here. Might just push into the gold price here. All right. I just need a break below the 3336. Is there anyone that's in profits here with the gold already? Is there anyone that's in profits? Quickly, guys. Let me know. Is there anyone that's in profits here with the gold? Real quickly, real quickly, real quickly. Real quickly, real quickly. Is there anyone in here with the gold price? Real quickly, let's quickly see. Let's quickly see. Looks like we're pushing down with the gold, guys. The silver well, there's nothing here yet. We needed to break those areas. It's not anywhere near it for now, all right? All right, Chubbs is in profits right now, yeah? All right, Chubbs in profit. Anyone else? Let me know, let me know, let me know. All right, I'm going to look at this AUD Swiss franc. I want to trade this one as well. I'm just waiting. It looks like it's coming down. It looks like it's coming down. All right, gold, 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 gold. Yes. All right, I'm in gold here, guys. Gold, 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 gold. I've just gotten into gold now. All right, I've just gotten into the gold price now, guys. I'm in a short with the gold price. All right, all right. Guys, I am seeing that the video is cutting just a little bit on my side here, but the audio still seems to be good. So please just follow my voice. Follow my voice, all right? I am in the gold price over here at this point in time. Dollar seems to have strengthened here a little bit, guys. Look at that. There we go. There we go. That's what I wanted to see right there. So the USD CAD, guys, I'm looking to take it up then to the 1.38. All right, looking to take it up to a 1.38480. I'm on the USD CAD as well. So I've got the gold. I'm in gold right now. I'm in the USD CAD as well. AUD Swiss franc, I'm waiting to go in for that short. Nothing is showing any signs for the AUD Swiss franc for now. I'm just waiting on it, all right? So it's gold and it's USD CAD right now. That's what I'm looking at. Gold, USD CAD, USD JPY, you know, it's in a lot of... There's a lot of consolidation there right now. I just needed to push up a little bit further above the 147.910. I'll say it again, 147.910, and then I might just get into the USD JPY as well, right there. If I can get a break above that zone over there, all right, that's USD JPY. So silver, silver is not giving us that short. But for the guys that's looking to take silver to the upside, all right, I'll just give it to you anyway there. Above the 38.120, that seems like a place to get into for the silver. They're not doing the same thing at this point in time, all right? That's the silver and the gold. They're not doing the same thing, guys. Silver looks to be going up. It seems to be going up 38.120. That's where I look to get in with the silver, all right? Above 38.120, but it's not there yet. It seems like there's a rejection there now. All right, so gold and USD CAD is my pairs for this moment in time. Yeah. All right, so gold and USD CAD, that's my pairs right now. I'm just trying to get the NAS 100 real quickly. So the NAS 100, let's see if I can get the NAS 100 for some of the guys that like it. Just give me a second here, guys. There we go. All right, so the NAS 100 at this moment in time. Nothing here yet. No. Nothing here yet. I'm going to leave that one alone for now. So it's the gold and the USD CAD. There we go. Gold, USD CAD. Those are the two right now, guys. Gold, USD CAD. Tabatso, USD JPY. Above the 147.910. Okay. The moment I see something happen there, it looks like I'll be moving to the USD JPY. All right. USD JPY above 147.910. All right. More money. I saw your message earlier on today. Please let me know if you sent through that information to support. Please let me know in the chat facility. All right. I've not forgotten about you. Very quickly, get back to that message that connected you. All right. Big apologies. It doesn't sound right, but we want to get to the bottom of it. All right. Every single client is our priority. So just resend that care@tdmarkets.com. care@tdmarkets.com. All right. Gold looking much better now. USD CAD. I'm in a bit of profits there now. I'm in a bit of profits now with the USD CAD. Yeah. Anyone else in the USD CAD? Real quickly, let me know, guys. USD CAD. USD CAD. Come on, baby. Gold price. Yes. Gold price. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah. All right, the gold price looking fantastic. Gold looking fantastic. USD CAD looking great. USD JPY, nothing yet, guys. All right, silver has gone above the 38 point. I don't know if there's anyone here that's feeling the silver. I'm going to leave the silver out on my side here, guys. I'm going to leave it out on my side. I'm not jumping into the silver price at this point in time. But if there's anyone else that likes the silver price above the 38.120, we have gone above it now. So if there's anyone that's looking at the silver price, we've just created a higher high there now. All right. So it's gold, it's USD CAD, it's the USD JPY. Nothing there yet. But the silver price has given a follow through above the 38.120. You just got to pull the trigger on your side if you are interested in that silver. All right. S&P 500 is now pushed above as well. You can see that right there. So we could be pushing up to the 6458. All right. That's about 56 pips away, 56 points away. That is the S&P 500. It's not gone above yet. I'm going to wait before I get in above. I'll tell you now, 6453. All right, Tabatso's in the USD CAD. You should be in a bit of profits there if you are. That's in the USD CAD, yeah? Definitely a fight at this moment in time. The silver price, nothing here yet, guys. S&P, I'm waiting for a break above 6453. So the gold price has given us a fantastic movement to the downside already. It's a waiting game right now. USD CAD has pushed above, created the higher high. So we're just waiting for price to push up. We could get a possible correction. It's absolutely possible, but we are above the resistance right now, all right? The USD JPY, we have retreated now. I'm not going to look at that one. And then obviously I'm waiting for the S&P 500. This one looks real promising to me. The S&P 500. That one looks beautiful. I actually got out of that one earlier on today. But the S&P 500 looks fantastic. All right, S&P 500. So it's these three. Let me loop back. Gold price. We're waiting. It's dipped below. Look at that. It's dipped below, yes. The USD CAD, a bit of a retreat now. All right, it's given us the higher high in the structure. And then the S&P 500, I'm looking at this one. This one looks fantastic. This one looks good. I'm just waiting for that push above that 6453. 645.3.47. I'll say it again, 645.3.47. And I want to get myself some of these S&P numbers right there. So it's gold in profits now. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. USD CAD struggling on that side over there. It is struggling a little bit, guys. It is struggling. If we have to be honest, it's struggling a little bit to go to the upside, even although it's broken above. Let's look at that gold. Yes, the gold looks good. Look at the silver price. It's above now. Is there anyone that got into the silver? Quickly let me know there. Holla in the chat facility if you've gotten into the silver price, guys. In the chat facility, real quickly, real quickly, real quickly. GBP CAD, let's have a look. GBP CAD, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, I love it. Oh, beautiful. I'm waiting for 1.86949 GBP CAD. Yes. So these are the ones. Listen to this. Moretoire. Gold currently. Beautiful. USD CAD. Beautiful. S&P 500, waiting. GBP CAD, waiting. All right, guys, we are aware the video is at a bit of a cut there. There's an interception in the line. So big apologies. There is seems to be a very, very, not so good connection, or at least a bad or poor connection at this point in time with the video. We experienced it a couple of minutes just before we started the stream. The audio should be good according to my team there. So we are still good to go. All right. So the gold price retreating a little bit. USD CAD, we are well above still. There is profits in the USD CAD. We're seeing the S&P 500 retreat. GBP CAD, I'm waiting for 1.86949. All right. I'm waiting for 1.86949. All right. 1.86949. That's what I'm waiting for. 1.86949. Yes, 1.86949 on the GBP CAD. GBP CAD. I'm waiting for a push to the upside over there. All right. S&P retreating. USD CAD well above. All right. NZD CAD. Here we go. NZD CAD. I need a break. $0.82011. NZD CAD above 0.82011. That's NZD CAD. I need a break above that area over there. Then I will look for it, yeah? S&P 500 retreating, guys. GBP CAD still waiting. NZD CAD, we're waiting. There's really a fight happening at this moment in time, yeah? Deep profits, USD CAD, beautiful Tabang. Beautiful, beautiful. Deep profits, USD CAD. Yes, yes, yes. All right, we're waiting for the rest. Guys, you can exit NZD CAD if you can exit. Remember, it's scalping, ladies and gentlemen. This is scalping. It's scalping. It's scalping, all right? All right, USD JPY, AUD Swiss franc, nothing there yet, guys. All right, CAD CHF has given me the go-ahead for my short. CAD CHF has given me my short. It's given me my short. I am in with a sell on the CAD CHF. CAD CHF. CAD CHF. I'm in on a sell on that one. I got in there. Was waiting for this one to come through. Yep. All right, so S&P 500 retreated. Rejection there. Looks like all the CAD pairs is giving us what we want. All right, USD CAD is number one. We are above. It's looking good. Profits seeing on USD CAD. The gold price, we at the support. It's a little bit shy there. It doesn't look like it wants to come down almost immediately. But if you got into batch number one, you should see a bit of profits over there. Then we got the GBP CAD. Nothing there yet, but it looks like we're going to be pushing up there sooner rather than later. We just needed to push up a little bit further. Those highs that it currently has there, we got to push above. If we can do that, it's going to be brilliant. But I gave you the numbers in the chat facility there, 1.86949. Then I got the NZD CAD. All right, beautiful push to the upside right now. If I can get, and I put in the chat facility as well, above the 0.82011. Check it out there in the chat facility. Ash, this is me. I'll be taking my trade there above 0.82011. That's my higher high, and I'll be looking to get in there. I have already gotten into my CAD CHF setup. It's gone beneath the 0.58264. So let me just let you guys see that, all right? I'm going to type it in there as well so you can understand what I'm working with here, all right? CAD CHF, it's beneath my support at 0.58264. And that is what I'm going to be working with there. If price closes above there on the hourly, if there's a rejection, I will be getting out. All right, at this point in time, it's looking marvelous. It's looking good. It's a bit smooth there. The CPI on the Canadian economy remained the same in all aspects, guys. All right, there was nothing different from it. All right, look at that gold price now retreating a little bit there. Let's see if there's any movement to the upside, guys. Like I said, the gold price is a little bit weary here today, as well as the silver price. So please make sure that you are careful. It seems like it is the CAD FX or the CAD trading pairs that is giving us our signals. That's USD CAD, GBP CAD, NZD CAD, and CAD CHF. That's the ones that's giving us what we need at this moment in time. All right, everybody. I am in profits with the CAD CHF. I've taken that trade. I am in profits with the CAD CHF. I'm a little bit disappointed in the gold price. Not concerned, but a little bit disappointed because by now we should have pushed down already. So I'll say just be very careful with the gold price. If you are in profits, nothing wrong with taking it and waiting for a clearer follow through over there. It seems like the CAD pairs are our zone, or at least our go-tos for this specific session over here. That AUD Swiss franc is also pushed to the downside, guys. Like I've mentioned, it's following the CAD CHF at this moment in time. So the CAD is definitely weakening at this point in time, or at this moment in time, and we're going to wait and see what happens with the rest of the day. But for now, the CAD is weak. Unchanged CPI for now. We obviously have those readings next month again. At this point in time, it's unchanged. All right. But guys, we will be back again on Thursday with another trading room. Just to tell the guys, or mention to the guys that were inside here, it is the CAD, or the weakening of the CAD at this point, that has given us our movements. The gold price is obviously a bit disappointing. We should have seen it move down with a lot of aggression by now, but it's obviously a little bit stuck. You should be in a bit of profits, but please be very careful there, especially at 1530. Be very careful there with the gold price. It seems like it's the CAD that's giving us the movement here. All right, USD CAD in profits. GBP CAD is going up to that zone that I've mentioned, 1.86949. NZD CAD is struggling a little bit. I'll wait for it. CAD CHF, I'm in profits there now, so I'm going to wait on that one. Obviously, Thursday, guys, 2 o'clock. Don't forget, join us right here. And to the guys that would like to get in touch with us regarding anything else, remember, guys, www.tdmarkets.com. care@tdmarkets.com is the email to our support team. Please send it to them. More money. I am going back to your message earlier on today. Please reach out to our support there. All right. They obviously will get and attend to you. Big apologies there for any delay, as you've mentioned there. All right. But the rest of the guys, have a fantastic one, guys. I will loop in again. The CAD is our winning currency here in terms of its weakness. We are capitalizing on the weak CAD. I am buying the USD CAD. I'm looking to buy the GBP CAD. I'm looking to buy the NZD CAD, and I am selling the CAD CHF. Gold price, I am selling at this point in time. Mel, I see you've closed your profits there in the gold price as well. That's beautiful, beautiful. To everybody else, fantastic session. All right, you guys are wonderful. I'll see you guys on Thursday at 2 o'clock for another one. All right, have a fantastic evening, everybody. It's Ashley Reeve, and I'm checking out.